everyone, Steven here with the first installment of a new reaction series I'm doing. I've never done reaction videos before. For our first episode, we'll be reacting to male scream, left bracket, sound effect, right bracket. Have not heard this before, don't know what to expect. Let's hop right in. Alright. He seemed really scared. There was a little bit of a reverb, kind of like an echo. He might have been in a big room when he screamed. That'll do it for this first video. If you enjoyed this or have suggestions on what to react to next, comment down below. We'll see you next time.